Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID is not available on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or you're facing the issue that your Face ID is not working or is not available, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app, go for general, here go for software update, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find any pending software update like this, you just have to try to update your software. So if there will be any software issue, it will be fixed in the step, or you will not get the issue again. Or you can try to clean this in-depth camera of your iPhone, the first front camera. So you just have to try to clean this, and after that you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you can try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, the press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and let the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo. Only once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so open your settings app here, go for free setting and passcode, and just enter your passcode here, and you just have to try to reset your Face ID, and then try to reset up your Face ID. So if you have any issue in your Face ID, sometime it will fix in this step. So just reset up your Face ID, or after that you can also try to go back, go for the screen time settings, go for content privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from there. So if there will be a restriction issue, it will also be fixed in this tab. Or you can also try to go back, go for general section, go to the transfer reset iPhone page, select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings. So reset all over your system settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone setting, you have enabled or disabled any setting which is having or causing this type issue, so you can easily fix by using this tab. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so this is the only way. You just have to try to contact the Apple support. Now to do that, you have to use an app called Apple Support. You can also use a website. So I'm going to use my app here. Just select Apple Support app here. Tap on your iPhone here. Just select this more option and just scroll down and look for Face ID option. Just select Face ID. And here just wait for the loading here. Just select Get More Help. Then select Call Us. And you'll find the phone number whenever you want to call. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.